Hey guys, Pandi here of Pandi's Hair Candy and More, popping on really quick to remind you all to stop by on Saturday, July 30th at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are going to have friend to the channel, BG of Cashflow Junkies, coming through to chit chat with us all about money. And for those of you who know him, know his content and his channel, he is just the man that we need to be talking with, because he is going to be putting us up on game on everything that we can be doing as far as saving, budgeting, and just overall getting our portfolios together. So definitely be in the building. That is here on Pandi's Hair Candy and More, Saturday, July 30th at 4:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The live stream is already set, so please set the notification and we hope to see you in the building. Stay safe, stay encouraged, and I will see you all later. Bye.